Welcome in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, this Defender 110 D240 HSE with an eye-catching Eiger Grey Exterior complementing the black exterior pack. This Defender 110 also comes fitted with matrix LED headlights as well as 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, keyless entry and privacy glass. This Defender 110 also benefits from a full service history as well as its most recent service having been completed by ourselves in February 2026. Also featuring manual third row seats. Stepping inside the Defender now, we're just going to take a look at the Meridian sound system as well as the electric window controls and driver seat memory function. And then coming up to the blind spot assist. Also coming fitted with electric front seats as well as a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, a heated steering wheel and voice control. And then coming up to that digital driver's display. Heading down to the centre console now, we've got the gear shift paddle as well as a 2-zone climate control and the extremely responsive PY Diamond infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the 3D surround camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Defender now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers as well as an extra 2 in the back. Also come in with rear climate control, ISOFIX and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.